Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Speak Smart. I am so excited for today's episode, Eden, because we're tackling one of the biggest speaking test topics, family and relationships. It's everywhere, right?
That's right, Avery. Family and relationships is a topic you'll almost certainly encounter in tests like IELTS or TOEFL, or even in general conversations. It's crucial to know how to talk about family members, childhood, friendships, and how these connections shape our lives.
Exactly. But it's not just what to say, is it? It's how to say it. How do we turn a simple answer into something impressive for an examiner? I don't want to just say yes or no.
You've hit the nail on the head, Avery. To develop your answers naturally and effectively, we recommend a simple structure. Start with your answer, then give a reason, follow with an example, and add some extra detail. It's a fantastic way to expand your thoughts.
Ooh, I love that. Answer, reason, example, extra detail. That sounds like a secret formula. But could you show us like a quick example? How would that work with a common question?
Certainly. Let's take the question, do you spend much time with your family? A weak answer might be, yes, I do. But using our structure, a much better answer would be, yes, I spend quite a lot of time with my family because we enjoy doing things together. For example, we usually have dinner together in the evening. It gives us time to talk and relax.
Wow, see, that's what I'm talking about. That second answer's so much richer. It's got the yes, but then the because and the for example, and even that little bit at the end about talking and relaxing. It's like a mini story.
Precisely. The because provides the reason, the for example gives a specific instance, and the it gives us time to talk and relax adds that extra detail, showing a deeper understanding and extending your response naturally. This avoids short, robotic answers and demonstrates your fluency.